Got to tell you, meteorologist Chris Smith has been keeping an eye on Faye all afternoon. Chris, have you noticed anything that's piqued your interest since it's been moving this afternoon?
Well, one thing, the video that we had from Okeechobee, that's pretty much right where the circulation center is right now. And that's why you can see everything kind of blowing around a good bit. Could have sustained winds upwards of 60, 65 miles an hour with some gusts to over 70 right in that Okeechobee area. A lot of other stuff that we're watching. We'll show you exactly what's going on here as far as the latest with Faye. Now, we're still talking about tropical storm. The winds, though, still haven't decreased. We'll get another advisory here in just about within the next hour, and that should give us a little more information. But 65 miles an hour is where we stand right now. Still about 59 miles away from the Fort Myers area. We go and show you the radar, so we peel off the clouds. We look underneath to show you what's going on. We have a new tornado watch that's in effect. That goes until 1 o'clock in the morning, and you can see here's the new watch right here near Palm Bay. Now, that's significant because earlier this afternoon, we had reports of a tornado that's caused some damage up into Brevard County, so that's right near the Palm Bay area. That's Barefoot Bay was actually specifically where we have some reports of some damage from maybe a possible tornado. One of our computer models now showing us what it thinks is going to happen with Faye. It'll bring its way up near Orlando, then crossing out into the Atlantic, then kind of hugging the coast, and then eventually bringing its way into southern Georgia. But again, this is just one of many models we've been looking at, and they've just been kind of all over the place. The official forecast track as far as where we think things are going. Let's take a look at what the latest is going to be. This is our forecast track according to the National Hurricane Center, making its way over towards Cape Canaveral, we think, over towards north of Vero Beach, near Cape Canaveral, Cocoa Beach, that general vicinity, then re-emerging out into the Atlantic, then possibly increasing in strength to around 50 miles an hour before making its way in towards the southern Georgia area, which actually would be kind of some good news because of the fact we desperately need rainfall across portions of Georgia, South Carolina, Alabama, and some of those places could possibly see anywhere from 10 to maybe 15 inches of rainfall. Now, we might not want that much, but still, nonetheless, some soaking rains are on the way, not only for Florida, but other parts of the southeast.
All righty, Chris, so good to have you here today. Thank you. And you know, tropical